Absolutely, the government are trying to drive us towards having a more energy efficient home, and they're trying to move away from fossil fuel. And how they're trying to motivate us as homeowners to do that is to basically give us grants to get the works done. So why, the question I suppose that we're discussing here is why is there
money
120
still
million
in the bank? It's an awful lot of money. And the Minister, Darragh O'Brien, in this case, not happy about it, saying it's of great concern. I was wondering whether we have enough workers to do the work. So enough contractors out there.
Yeah, like I think like it's fairly obvious if you're looking to get small works done on your home, it's pretty much impossible to get anybody to do that these days. We definitely have a shortage of tradespeople in our country in general. But when it comes to retrofit, that is not the case. You go on the SEAI website, there is registered contractors are there that have been vetted, that are experienced, that are ready to rock and ready to go at this. So,
but that wasn't always the case, though, Pete, because at the start of this, there was definitely a shortage of
but the start
SEAI
of this, Claire, is
registered.
a long time ago. The start of this is not last year or the year before. Like the SEAI grants have been out for a long time, and they've slowly kind of worked their way up to the point now where you're getting 12.5 grand for a heat pump. You're getting like, if you put insulation in your attic or into your cavity walls, you're getting 80% of the grant. 80% of the value of the works done in the grant. Like, that's phenomenal.
This listener has priced solar panels, fitting them with a battery through the grant system, and then they've priced paying for it themselves.
Yeah.
And they say there's thousands of euros in the difference between the two, and their argument is that the grant makes everything more expensive.
Totally incorrect. I'm sorry, listener, you're wrong, because he's probably done that with one person, or she's probably done that with one person. There's loads of solar panel companies out there. You do get the grant, and this urban myth of, as soon as I go for the grant, they're going to add the money on at the end. That is not true. It's a great myth now, and it sounds very plausible, but it's not the truth. Like, I'm telling you now, don't price one person as well. Like, go and get 4, you can get 5, you can get 6 prices if you want. These people are sitting there ready to price this work when it comes to this type of construction. And you there's no doubt about it, you will get different value for different things. Make sure that what you're pricing is comparable as well. If you're getting solar panels, how many are you getting? What size of inverter are you getting? What size battery are you getting? Make sure you compare apples to apples. And it's very simply not true to say that you can get it done cheaper. And if you are getting it done cheaper outside of the grant, the person's not going to be registered, and there's a good chance that they're probably buying the product cheaply from somewhere else, and you're not going to have a proper callback.
You need to be really careful, don't you?
Absolutely.
With what solar panels you're getting in. There is a really strong argument, though, isn't there, for there to be a much higher grant for solar panels. In fact, there are some, and I've heard the argument made politically, some who say that solar panels should just be paid for by the state for everybody. Just do it.
I can instantly see the differences in my bills. Instantly see the differences. We've had an unbelievably good summer, and we've had really good return from solar panels in Ireland this summer.
Do you have the battery as well to store?
Yeah, I got 2 batteries. Like, I invested quite a bit on it. I got a good deal because I'm Pete the Builder, and I did what I did to get
using all your contacts there, Pete.
100%. But I did have to pay for them, and I got the grant system, and I did everything I possibly could. And now I can see the benefits. And is it an investment? Yes, it is. Is it a short-term investment? No, it's not. But it's an investment in my home, and I'm not as afraid as I used to be if the energy costs were bumping up.